Okay, so what I'm going to attempt to do today is a couple of things here. One, I have to put a frame back in the beehive because when I put the queen in, the queen's box that she was in takes up space of one of these frames. So this is called a frame, and you slide it in and they just start to build their honeycombs on there, and queen lays eggs and honey and so forth. I'm going to try to use this smoker. I've never done this before, so we shall see what happens. They sell stuff that you're supposed to, well, that's better, but they say you can pretty much use anything that's going to provide smoke. So now these are going to burn. So what I want to do is put some green ones on there. Shove those down, get the green ones. Seems like a pretty decent amount of smoke, but I think I put it out. So what I'll do is I'll add some more of this dry stuff, and hopefully that will catch. This stuff. The green stuff obviously is the stuff that's going to provide the smoke, which is what I want. I don't want fire, I want smoke. Now the next problem is there's no oxygen down there, so you gotta kind of light it. Come on. You see it's going out instantly, there's no oxygen. Alright, so I should be able to do this. Close it up and puff it a little bit. And there's some smoke coming out of it. I'm afraid though, that's what I'm afraid of. That it's going to go out, and then I'm going to be down there with the bees. I'm not going to have any smoke, and it'll be a little bit of trouble. All right, let's see what happens here. It looks like it's smoking. I'm trying out this new camera, but it's on my chest, so it's hard to get used to where I'm aiming here. All right, so here we go. Again, I got a problem with Wilson over there. He's going to want to come over here, and if he does, he's going to get stung, so hopefully that's not the case. It's still lit, it's still smoking. So this is good so far. Alright, let's see what we're going to get into here. Let me just push this up just a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So again, it went out. So I'm going to try to light it again. Alright, I don't know how much of that you saw, but anyhow. So I used the smoker there. Now I'm going to lift this up, and you can see all the bees. Gently lift this up. Oh shit. Fucking stuck to it. Damn it. Damn it. I dropped that. Now the bees are trying to attack me. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I think, is I have to put a spacer in there, so I'll try to move these, gently move these. get my frame here, put it in. Now what I'm going to try to do here is, these should be evenly spaced in here. I can't move this one over. Why can't I move that one? Right, there we go. I'm going to place a new one in here. Alright, this is actually working out pretty good. The problem is, what do I do with this? Because it's not going to fit back in. I guess if I attempt to maybe do something like this with it, but it's not going to be even, and I want it to be even in there. I'm not going to be able to fit it in. I don't know if I just sacrifice it or what. I put a lot of work into that. So I think it's going to have to be sacrificed, and that's that. Yeah, it's got to go. I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing the wrong thing or not, but all right, now I should be able to put this back on top. I don't want to squish anybody, so make sure nobody gets squished. I got all my frames in there. We get back in there. I got to evenly space them. Evenly spaced. All right, I think we're going to be okay. I'm not positive, but we shall see. All right, I killed one. Oh well. All right, so now this goes back on top of that. Nice and evenly spaced on there. Put this back on. Now I gotta fill this back up. And get this off. This video is gonna need some editing. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna fill this up again, and I'm hoping this is the last time I have to do it. It's getting warm out, and they should have plenty of nectar and pollen to get to. All right, so now I'll put this back on top. All right. Put this big frame back on, birder back on top. And then, last but not least, put this back on top. Alright. It's supposed to be super windy tonight, or this afternoon, so I hope this, the lid won't blow over with the rocks on it, but I hope the whole thing doesn't go over, because that would be a disaster. Alright. So I'm going to take these. It's a shame. I don't know if I did the right thing by removing those, but hey, there's a bee right here. I am going to throw these out. And all right, at least I got the mission accomplished. Hopefully I didn't set the hive back too far by removing those, but as you can see, over here there's bees everywhere. So I don't think there's any more bees on here, but you can see there's a huge swarm of them. I don't know if it's a swarm, but a whole pack of them right there.